gentlemen, let's have it for Roger D.
Thank you. You're lovely. If you should see me in the morning, I'm sure that you never would guess that the previous night I'd been in full flight, for I am a vampire, no less. Yes, I'm Victor the part-time vampire. Just 3 nights a week I lurk around gravestones and tombs and any dark rooms to get my teeth into my work. I saw a young girl in the churchyard. With me she said she'd not be seen dead. So I gave her a peck on the side of her neck. She said tar, then she died, like I said. I'm Victor the part-time vampire. Just 3 nights a week I lurk around gravestones and tombs and any dark rooms to get my teeth into my work. When I'm on my way to the office, in my bowler I know I look natty, but when I wear my cloak I hear some folk joke.
Sometimes I think Victor is batty.
They're catty. I'm Victor the part-time vampire. Just 3 nights a week I lurk around gravestones and tombs and any dark rooms to get my teeth into my work. I'm Victor the part-time vampire. Just 3 nights a week I lurk around gravestones and tombs and any dark rooms to get my teeth into my work. I get my teeth into my work. You know, things ain't what they used to be. With her huge round glasses and her coat of plastic fur, she's separate from the masses and a great philosopher. She thinks that something's avant-garde or else it's just passé. Her old man's got a loo in the yard, that's why she moved away. That's why she moved away. She shares a flat with other girls who all look just the same, who all are wearing corkscrew curls and hope one day for fame. She hopes perhaps she'll meet the man who'll take her to the top, but her old man was a dustman, so she never mentions pop. She never mentions pop. She wouldn't ride upon a bus, it's not the thing to do. To get a lift she'll make a fuss, any male will do. Sports car can be super fun, a role she'd really like. Her old man hasn't got one, poor sod rides a bike. What will she do when she finds out that she is growing old? Though she has known so many men, she must have left them cold. At last she finds a bridegroom who's short and very stout. Her old man's let the spare room, their rent will help him out. Their rent will help him out. Thank you. Please give a hand to the boys in the band. Goodbye, goodbye. It's difficult to say goodbye.